Welcome to our exploration of the internal environment of a business. In this video, we'll uncover how various internal factors shape a company's operations and long-term success, from organizational structures to company culture. Each element plays a crucial role. Join us as we delve into these components to understand their impact. Let's begin our journey into the heart of business dynamics. Organizational structures define how roles and responsibilities are arranged within a business. These structures influence efficiency, communication, and decision-making. Common types include functional, divisional, flat, and matrix structures. Each has its unique advantages and challenges. Understanding these can help businesses align their structure with their goals. A functional structure groups employees based on specialist areas, such as marketing or finance. This structure promotes deep expertise and clear lines of authority. However, it can lead to poor communication between departments. Tesco is an example of a company using a functional structure effectively. This structure supports quick decision-making within departments.
In a divisional structure, employees are organized into semi-autonomous units based on products or regions. This setup allows for faster decision-making and better market focus. However, it may lead to resource duplication and inconsistency. Unilever UK utilizes this structure to manage its diverse product lines efficiently. Divisional structures are ideal for large, diversified firms.
A flat structure minimizes management layers, fostering quick decision-making and open communication. This structure is common in small businesses and startups. It encourages innovation, but can create challenges in managing large teams. Innocent Drinks exemplifies a company with a flat organizational culture. This setup eliminates bureaucracy and speeds up processes. Matrix structures blend functional and project-based setups, with employees reporting to two managers. This fosters collaboration and flexible resource use. However, it can lead to conflicting instructions and management complexity. BP uses a matrix structure to enable cross-functional project work. This structure is suitable for dynamic and project-based environments. Company culture encompasses the values and behaviors shared by employees. A positive culture boosts motivation, loyalty, and productivity. John Lewis is known for its cooperative work culture. This environment fosters employee engagement and satisfaction. Cultivating a strong culture is vital for business success.
Effective management and leadership are crucial for guiding and motivating teams. Good leadership enhances morale and teamwork, driving business goals. Richard Branson's Virgin Group exemplifies inclusive leadership. This approach encourages innovation and collaboration. Leadership style significantly impacts organizational success.
Human resources focus on employee skills, training, and performance. Skilled employees enhance efficiency and customer service. The NHS relies on qualified staff to deliver healthcare services. Investing in human resources is essential for business growth. A strong HR strategy supports organizational objectives.
Financial resources are the funds available for business operations and growth. Strong finances enable investment and expansion, while poor finances limit activities. Startups like Monzo depend on investor funding for growth. Effective financial management is crucial for sustainability. Businesses must balance spending and investment wisely.
Physical resources include buildings, equipment, and materials used in operations. Well-maintained resources improve productivity and reduce disruptions. Jaguar Land Rover utilizes state-of-the-art factories for manufacturing. Investing in physical resources supports operational efficiency. Proper management of these resources is key to success. Technological resources involve IT systems and software that enhance business operations. These tools improve efficiency and innovation, but require investment and skilled staff. Amazon UK uses automation in its warehouses to streamline processes. Leveraging technology is essential for competitive advantage. Businesses must stay updated with technological advancements.
Internal policies and procedures guide operations and employee behavior. These rules ensure consistency, legal compliance, and efficient workflows. The BBC implements editorial guidelines and HR procedures to maintain standards. Clear policies support organizational stability. Regular updates to policies are necessary to adapt to changes.
Innovation and research drive the development of new products and processes. This fosters competitive advantage and business growth. Unilever UK invests in product research and development. Continuous innovation is vital for staying ahead in the market. Businesses must encourage and invest in innovative practices.
Internal communication is the flow of information between departments and employees. Barclays uses intranet platforms for internal updates. Effective communication enhances coordination and engagement. Poor communication leads to confusion and errors. Businesses must prioritize clear and open communication channels.
Understanding SWOT analysis. SWOT evaluates strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This tool helps in strategic planning and decision-making. UK Versity uses SWOT to assess its market position and growth potential. Understanding internal and external factors is crucial for success. SWOT analysis guides businesses in leveraging strengths and addressing weaknesses. UK Versity's strengths include flexible online learning and accredited programs. These offerings provide credibility and appeal to students. The institution's wide course range and affordable pricing attract a diverse audience. Experienced tutors enhance the learning experience. These strengths position UK Versity well in the e-learning market.
UK Versity faces challenges like limited brand recognition and dependence on technology. These weaknesses impact its competitive edge. The lack of peer interaction in online learning can be isolating for students. Small-scale operations may slow growth and development. Addressing these weaknesses is essential for future success.
Opportunities for UK Versity include growing demand for remote learning and corporate partnerships. International expansion offers new markets to explore. Government-funded programs can support growth. These opportunities align with the institution's strategic goals. Capitalizing on these can enhance UK Versity's market presence.
Threats to UK Versity include high competition and technology-related risks. Changes in policy and student retention issues also pose challenges. These threats can impact the institution's reputation and growth. UK Versity must navigate these threats carefully. Strategic planning is crucial to mitigate risks and ensure sustainability.
Tesco employs a hierarchical functional structure with clear roles and responsibilities. This structure supports accountability and order. Functional managers oversee specific departments, enhancing efficiency. Frontline employees ensure smooth day-to-day operations. Tesco's structure aligns with its strategic objectives. Tesco's structure features a clear chain of command and centralized decision-making. Specialization within departments enhances performance. This setup supports quick responses to market changes. However, it may limit cross-departmental communication. Tesco balances these characteristics to maintain efficiency.
The internal environment of a business is shaped by various controllable factors. These elements influence employee performance and business success. Companies must monitor and optimize these factors for best results. Adapting to changes in the internal environment is crucial. A proactive approach ensures long-term sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the internal environment of a business. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights. Stay tuned for more in-depth business analyses and discussions. Your engagement is greatly appreciated. Until next time, keep exploring the world of business.